What's up, everybody? I'm going to be putting on a boost gates today. Today's little project. An Autometer one. It looks pretty cool. Got all the parts laid out and we're about to give it a shot. Alright, so first up, there's a little fitting on the back of my blower right there that I have to take off. I'll show y'all real quick. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's that little brass fitting right there. So that's what we're going to be taking off to start. And see which one of those fittings fits on that bad boy, and then we'll go from there. All right, put the little piece on, the little nut. Then this piece slides on. So the nut, then that piece, and then it sandwiches here. Wait, do I do it now? Okay, no, change the plans. That's how it works though. I'm gonna put this piece on, get it tight, and then put the rest on. That's the plan. Wait a minute. I just found a washer. Where in the world did that come from? It was just sitting on my valve cover. What the heck? Well, I guess I didn't need that. I don't know how long that's been sitting there. All right, so we got that fitting tight. Okay, that's tight enough. So now we'll grab these pieces over here and the line. We'll go from there. I'll bring y'all around. So you can see now that same fitting before down there has thread sticking out. That's what we're going to be threading the hose into. But first, we got to figure out where this line is going through on the inside, so I don't have to feed all of it through. All right, so now what y'all are looking at is the underneath my dash where the hose is going to go into. As you can tell, it's nice and tidy, so we're going to try to keep it that way. I'm going to try to find a spot for this line to go through. Maybe an existing hole like that one right there. That's plenty big. But I want to put one of these little rubber grommets in there so I don't cut my hose up and then my gauge will be off because it's leaking. So that definitely isn't going to fit in that hole. Well, this one over here is jammed full. So what we might do is, I don't know what we might do. So I had to go put that little grommet in from the outside. It was easier to do it out there. You can kind of see it right here. I just got some dikes and cut the edges off so I could get it on there a little easier. And I just left the tabs on each side. So now we're gonna feed our hose through that hole pretty easily. About like that. Then I'm gonna go on the outside and hook it up. Too easy. So now you can kind of see I got the brass fitting right there. Then my hose coming out right here. I'm gonna use that connector from earlier and hook them up. All right, now you can see I have the brass fitting and then my clear line running into the inside. Now we'll go back to the inside. Booyah. Gotta go up under here for the last time. All right, so off camera, got everything tightened up. I don't know if y'all can tell. Everything's looks good. I put another rubber grommet right here. There's not very much light in here, so the hose don't pinch right there. Park lights runs. Headlights runs too. The only thing I'm going to change is I'll probably take this back off and change that red color. It's just a sleeve, and then take the sleeve off and it'll be white like the rest, so it'll all match. But I'm about to take this for a spin and